MTD Daily. Today we're making a massive trip way up north to Fife. Well, obviously not making that trip because of what's going on in the world, but we're going to have a chat with Graeme from Contract Solutions. What a machine shop. It's absolutely fantastic. Graeme, thank you for joining us. Want to find out a bit about the company, the machines, what you're doing, how you're coping with the virus at the moment and things like that. So first of all, it's a great story. Where and how did you start?
We probably started, me and my father, about 2009, 2009.
Yep.
In a cow shed. We had one machine, and it was probably the coldest winter we've had, and there was snow coming in the roof and everything. So,
There you go.
so we moved on a bit.
You've moved on a bit from that cow shed though. So I mean, Paul's been up
Yeah.
to visit you. He's done some videos there. We'll come to that in a minute. But I have to say, it's just an absolutely fantastic machine shop. So the first machine you got though, second-hand machine?
Yes, second-hand machine. It was just a 3-axis machine.
Yep.
And we put a nicking unit on it to turn into a 5-axis machine. So
Right.
that's where it all kicked off from.
Oh, okay. But that first machine, was it Matsuura 600, is that right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. And I think on the basis of that machine, you haven't really looked back from Matsuura, have you? I mean, how many machines you got with them at the moment?
We have got 12 Matsuura machines,
Wow.
2 sling head machines, and 2 DMG Morris.
Fantastic.
So we've done quite a bit.
Yeah. Now I won't put them spot on all. I mean, we don't go through the whole specification of all the machines and things like that, though. Again, if people haven't seen the machine shop, we've done a couple of videos already with these guys, and it is an absolutely amazing facility. It's worth having a look. It really is. But why did you make that decision to go into such a level of automation?
I think it wasn't a hard decision for us because it was just customer base.
Yep.
Our customers want more and more and more. So that's why we had one robot. So if we had the Eco Tower, we wanted another one and another one. So we just carried on from there. Just what a customer wanted, it fed the machinery we've got at the moment. So
Okay. So, but people think, you know, there's always this big, not argument so much, but debate. If you're automating, you're going to be losing jobs. But that's not the case because, I mean, there's the three of you started off 2009. How many staff have you got now?
we have 35 staff.
Wow.
Through the machine shop, to office staff and deburrers as well.
So really automation has helped you grow and employ more people.
Yes, because these parts are coming off. You still need people to set machines.
Yep.
You still need them to check them, and you still need people to deburr them. So
Okay.
the more you produce off the machines opens the door for more jobs for people to finish all the jobs you're doing. So.
All right. Now there is obviously a big burning issue at the moment in terms of what's going on in the world, in the UK with lockdown and COVID-19. Now I understand what you got in your hands at the moment, just to make sure you're fully protected.
Yeah.
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 But I think this ties in with, I mean, I suppose it ties in nicely with your automation because, and no disrespect to your guys, but a lot of the workforce have not made it to work today. Is that right?
Yes, we've probably lost about half our people on the shop floor.
Yeah.
Due to the virus. But in hindsight, if we can get these machines up and running on these land eco towers, then they should manage to run through the night. So limited staff, but with these automation things, we could still probably run through the night.
Brilliant. So great, you know, a great way. Automation has really benefited you in this environment.
Yes, especially in this day and age, is what's happening now. It's a godsend kind of thing.
Absolutely. Now, moving on then, in terms of the parts you manufacture, you've got some fantastic machines. What sort of industries are you working for?
We have just started to break into the aerospace industry.
Yep.
And medical, and a wee bit of oil and gas, and telecommunications and military, and even motorsport as well. So we have wide variety of different sectors.
Yeah. A great variety, but straight away, you know, I'm thinking all of those sectors they need some really precision parts, and they'd be quite demanding, I should imagine.
Yes, a lot of stuff we get is stuff that other people can't do,
Right.
and companies come to us and say, "Can you make this?" And 9 times out of 10, we will turn away a job kind of thing. So.
And there you go. That's a bold statement there from Graeme. So parts that other machine shops can't make, but it's all sounds good that you sort of got a variety there, because obviously medical, I imagine, is going to get quite busy at the moment. Oil and gas is probably taking a bit of a tumble.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So it gives you a wide variety of different sectors. So if you've got a problem like we have at the moment, the oil and gas is kind of suffering, so you've got the other one to
Okay.
play on. So
So Graeme, I suppose the proof of the pudding is in, well, the proof of the haggis is in the eating. So let's see some of those components you're actually manufacturing.
Yeah. Here's a part we do. We run at the weekend.
Yeah.
This will run unmanned all weekend. We do a couple of different varieties of this job, and this is for medical or dental industry. That's a simple part there.
Yeah.
We have another bit for telecommunications, which is a waveguide.
Could you just hold?
This is two parts.
I know I said earlier, but could you just hold it closer to the screen for us so I could get a better see if it comes up okay? Yeah, that's it. And then just turn it around a bit. Showcase what you're doing to the viewers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
and then if you could lift it up a bit as well, please.
Detail in this part. This is actually two parts joined together.
Okay.
And this is, you get all different kind of variety of waveguides and that. So
yeah. Okay.
This is a turn part of the DMG.
Oh, could you just lift it up? Could you just lift it up a bit, please, Graeme? That's it. That's brilliant. Yeah, that's fantastic. Yeah.
This is for an aerospace company. Obviously, this is just the first operation. Then it goes on to the 5-axis machine after that.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Some absolutely cracking. I hope you haven't given too many secrets away there, especially if aerospace and medical parts and things like that. But some great components and some great machines. And a great, starting 3 of you in a cowshed 11 years ago. It's absolutely brilliant. Where to next, though? Big question.
Where to next? Well, it depends what our customers want. Customer base always drives our work. So if we get more customers or they're more work, then the next option is to move the 3-axis machines through to our old factory and fill a new factory with more Matsuura machines, multi-pallet.
Graeme, it is an absolutely fantastic machine shop. Thank you for showcasing some of the components you make and telling us about your story and also how you're coping with the problems we have at the moment. It's absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you've enjoyed watching today. So that's MTD Daily. Watch the next show. Well, coming tomorrow.